Well, guess who is on the menu and in the kitchen with a perfect soup recipe that I think I will make this weekend, and then everyone can just graze on it all weekend long. Roni,
I'll come over, but this is coming to my house.
Yeah.
It's easy bacon cheeseburger soup. We asked you yesterday on Facebook, what's your favorite soup? And I think somebody mentioned this. I'm like, I'm going to find this recipe.
Yes.
True story, never made this before. So this is a work in progress.
Okay,
so
well,
what I need you to
we
do,
always
Carol,
are.
because
yes,
it's kind of tough.
Do
I need you
cut
to
up the
open all
pickles?
those cans, and I need you to dice the pickles because there's
Oh, we are
actually
gonna
pickles in
dice
this.
them.
In this pan, I have browned. I can't. It calls for 12 ounces of hamburger, but I probably have 2 pounds in here because if you're going to do a cheeseburger, why would you not? All right, and those are the ingredients you need right there. And in a separate pan, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter.
2 tablespoons of butter. Oh, on
butter.
Okay.
Yeah, because this calls for 2 pans, Carol.
Oh,
I know.
who's doing the dishes?
Well, I guess Nick will.
And then what's this next here? Oh, there are more ingredients. We got
Well, look at that. I know there's
black
cumin,
pepper,
chili. Yeah.
red pepper.
Yep. So
some cumin, chili powder, tomato paste, dill pickles diced, and 3 ounces of cream cheese. And heavy. Wow, Roni, there's a lot of ingredients.
Because I'm super excited about this.
This usually,
you have no idea.
Doesn't a lot of ingredients usually
for us never work
us?
out? Pretty much all the time.
Yes.
Anyway, so I'm going to get that, cook it on low, and then 3 ounces of cream cheese.
Might take the whole rest of the show for me just to open this.
This has been fun watching you. And the dill pickles, it says it's like 3 small dill pickles. I can put a whole jar of dill pickles in there, but I want to taste this first to see how much. So as you do that, what we do to this, once this gets down, we're going to add our spices. So, and our spices include
a lot of
spices, yes. So we take a half a teaspoon of about everything. And this calls for garlic. I'm not adding the garlic to mine because my husband does not particularly like garlic.
Oh, so he won't even taste it.
Yeah.
But the way we measure things, it might just get all dumped in there.
Yeah.
Do you want me to dice up all of these pickles?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Did you try them? Because I tried like a half a jar to make sure that they were good.
Yeah.
So,
or you could just get regular spears and dice those up too.
So garlic and take some onion. I usually don't. If I was at home, I would not be doing this. I would just be dumping because that's how I cook.
Yes.
I don't.
Got a little bit. Yeah. Just.
So we add all this ingredients to the butter. That's onion powder. Oh, was that supposed to stay in there?
Yes.
Just saying. Onion powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder.
Oh goodness, half teaspoon. What did you just put in there? Okay.
2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, and I'm just gonna.
Oh, yum! This is gonna have some.
It's gonna be real. It's gonna be real.
Well, it's hamburger. It's cheeseburger.
Now I have all sorts of different mustard, but they called for yellow, so I'm going by the recipe.
Yeah, and you probably, if you like, I have
and a little black
all
pepper.
Different kinds of mustard
little black
too.
pepper.
Oh, just like a half a teaspoon of black pepper.
Yep. A half teaspoon of ground red pepper.
Oh, that's gonna give it a little bit of
kick,
huh?
Yeah.
Ground red pepper.
I got to be honest
I've
with
ever
you.
seen that.
My friends over at Cat's Corner.
Yeah.
I love going over there.
Yeah.
I go, I've never heard this, and she kind of looked at me like.
I haven't.
Sister.
I've never seen
it. It's like a cayenne pepper, is what she said. So I'm gonna go by that.
Do you want? Is that gonna give it? That's a
and
lot of pepper in there.
Yeah, of course. And then a little chili powder. A little.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Roni, look at this.
It smells really good in here. It smells like a cheeseburger.
You know, I bet a lot of these are just kind of like the taste of the ketchup.
Yep, and a little ground cumin. I'm not gonna put a lot of cumin in. I can handle the ground pepper, but the cumin is just a little bit too much.
Cumin's kind of a woodsy kind of taste to things.
And I had to steal Dee's for his, because he makes jerky. When he uses a lot of this stuff for his jerky, so I kind of got into his stash.
These pickles are going to add a little zip to it as well. So I'm going to finish cutting up these pickles. Roni's going to finish stirring the pot, and we'll be back with more NTV's Good Life on the menu and in the kitchen. Stay with us.